Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Hey guys, let's see if we can catch us a few fish today, a few bass. Uh-oh, Josh. Let's see, am I recording? All right, first one on. Come here, buddy. Oh, nice one too, real nice. Okay. Oh wow. Well, they really liking this chatterbait out here, man. All right guys, out here at ECU again. Man, I tell you, the bass are really liking this chatterbait out here, man. You mean to piece your nose, buddy? Okay, let's get you back. Thanks for coming out to play, buddy. I appreciate that. Look, Josh. Got on the second one, guys. Let's get him back. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Oh my goodness. Quick release. Gotcha. Oh, that's a nice one there, Josh. Real nice one. Good gracious. Oh man, he got off right there. There you go, right there. Man, that thing was big. It's okay, I got it recorded. Got another one. Josh. Oh man, he got off. Dadgummit. Hey guys, just got on one more. This one right here is pretty nice too, man. Weigh about 3 pounds. Got him at ECU. Let's get him back in the water. Nice one, guys. Look at that. Nice one. Feeding up pretty good. Let's get them back. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate that. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna do any more fishing today, or casting, or whatever you call it. I ain't catching nothing, I call it practice. But a couple of days ago, I did pretty good. So I'm gonna get out of here because I don't think that storm is gonna wait for anybody. So guys, I appreciate you guys so much checking out my content, leaving comments, man. I really appreciate that. That pushed me to do more and do better. So until next video, y'all guys have a great day. Y'all have a good one.